channel. Today we are doing something that is not makeup related, but it is organizing. As you guys know, we live in an apartment right now, and one of the issues with living in an apartment during quarantine is that I have to do online school, but I really don't have anywhere to do it. And so I like to just take our little table and move around the house and kind of set up shop wherever, but it takes up most of the living room. But I found a solution. I found Jessica. She is a little rolling cabinet set that I am going to be putting most of my stuff in so that I can go ahead and kind of roll her wherever I want to go without creating a ton of clutter. So we are going to be organizing that today. This is probably going to be a really minimalistic blog type short video. If you're into that kind of stuff, keep watching because we have a lot of organizing to do. And if you're looking for makeup, go ahead and click off to another video where I have a lot of makeup stuff. Alright guys, I'm going to catch a cup of coffee and then I am going to start organizing.
And this is the little cabinet that I got. I named her Jessica because she looks like a Jessica. Levy is super interested in her too. I'm not really sure why. He's just an interested little cat. The one problem with this is that I got it at Ross, and so like this drawer here, it is kind of like hard to pull out. But hey, I got it at Ross. It was a great steal. I think it was only like $50. What can I really say? I'm super excited. Levy is excited too. Let's get to figuring this thing out. And this is the current work area. Now I did move it out of the way. I pushed it off to the side because it was in the middle of the living room, but really I only get to clean it up once a week, the one day I don't have homework, and then for the other 6 days of the week I have it out somewhere in the living room and it takes up a ton of space and it just doesn't look very good. It's very gross. And then this is the actual living room. Another problem is that I just have extension cords running everywhere around the room, trying to get myself power, trying to power my laptop and my phone, because most of the time I have to use both at the same time. And you can obviously see where the problem is. There's just a giant mess on the side of the room, and it takes up most of the living room if I'm not in the corner. But even when I am in the corner, it looks really unruly, and my stuff is kind of just everywhere.
Okay, so I'm at my desk with Jessica, and we are going to start organizing. Levy is going to be my special helper. He's going to help me not freak out. My biggest thing is that I don't know where to organize everything. I don't know what tier to put stuff. For sure, I'm going to start by getting these little Halloween baggies. I'm making these for all my friends and all my students. And I'm going to start by putting them at the bottom row because I feel like that's the only really place I could put them. So we're gonna start by doing that. Let's go. Okay, so I managed to get everything inside this one little drawer. Now this drawer I think is gonna be all the little artsy stuff that go with it. I have some little leaves and stuff that I'm going to be putting in the boxes, so I think this is going to be my artist supply drawer number 1. So we hit our first little road bump, and that's that all my pens will not fit in these drawers. So I almost want to see if I can just leave them up here and then put my pens in here instead. I feel like that will go over a lot more smoothly. There we go. Problem fixed. I'm just gonna have to be careful to not knock that over when I move it around. So next, I think we're gonna do this drawer with all the rest of my art supplies. I have this little sketchbook that I have, and then I also have this giant box of just everything. It has my paints, it has my special markers, it has my paintbrushes. We're just gonna put it all in one. Hopefully this will fit. I've decided I don't want this to be the random supply drawer. I want that to be my top drawer. I don't know what I want this to be yet. I just don't want it to be the random supply drawer. And I think I'm gonna put these markers up here with the rest of the pens and pencils along with my handy dandy scissors, because I just don't think that they're gonna fit in the drawers, but that's okay. Instead, I'm gonna put all this stuff up here just because I just don't like it in the middle row, because it seems kind of like weird and random. And then I think I'm gonna grab some more art supplies and put it in this bottom drawer where the other ones were. So I'm gonna go get more art supplies. I'm back with a lot more stuff. It's bad. So normally I'd store all this stuff under my bed, but it would be really nice if I could get it to all fit in one cohesive cabinet. So that's what we're gonna try and do. So I'm gonna have all of like my stationery stuff be up here at this top one where I have like my random stuff, and then I want to put my books and computer in this one. So however much can fit is gonna fit. Took the drawer out so I could just organize it on the floor, because I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to logically do this. So I guess let's get started. We're going to start with this. This is like all my little stationery Tic Tacs, knickknacks, things I need like that. We're also going to put my glasses in here. Actually, no, we're going to put my glasses in with my computer because, let's be honest, it's when I'm going to need it the most. Have my stapler, we're gonna put it in here. Let's see, little things that I can put in here that will make it less messy. I want my clay to be in this one with the rest of my like artsy stuff, but that would be really hard. Oh wait, I forgot this one's empty. Okay, so more artsy stuff will go in this one. This will be more, I'm gonna just throw it in there for now and organize it in a second. So artsy stuff, let's see. This is like an artsy thing. This is so old, that's just gonna get trashed. This is kind of forcing me to trash stuff too, which is kind of what I need. I need it. Let's see. These are pens that I have that I don't use as often. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. We'll see. We'll see. Glitters. Tons of glitters. We're just gonna throw that in there for now. We'll organize it in a second. Glue. Other types of glue. Multiple types of glue. I used to be really artsy and creative, and then I just stopped because I didn't. It's not that I didn't like doing it anymore. I just didn't really have time, but now I do have time, so I'm doing it a lot more. I'm gonna put these pencils in here. Let's just organize these pencils real quick. So pencils organized. We're gonna throw that in here. I did find I've had these pencils since middle school. I had these pencils in 7th grade. I had this one for sure in 7th grade. I stole this from a boy at my school. I hated him. He was a very mean person, but I took it from him anyways. Ha. I will always have your pencil. I also have these pencils, but these aren't even pencils I really like, so I think I'm just gonna give the rest of these to like my mom. I'm also gonna put this in there because this is like my little box of like electronics that I'll always need at some point. So I'm just gonna put it in there because I know at some point I'm gonna need it. And then I'm gonna have my little baggie of goodies. This is like my go-to bag of things that I constantly need. Like for reference, let me just like show you what's inside. I have hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer, hand sanitizer. And then I also have like good smells. Like I have this little roll-on oil smell thing from Blossom, which also helps with my nails because I have like really horrible dry cracked skin under my nails. Because of that, I also have this skin rescue balm that I just take everywhere with me. I have hand cream that I take everywhere with me, a tons of lip balm. This is the lip balm that I can use all over my body. It's the Fisherman's Nova Scotia lip balm. I also have a lip oil that I use all the time. This is like my favorite one actually. It's from Stardust Lavender, I believe. I also have little things of like mini soap just in case, because they smell good and you never know. It's a single sheet of soap. And there's like 30 little tiny sheets of soap in here. Why would I not have that? I also have more lip balm, nail glue, because I wear fake nails and they will come off every single time I touch the computer. I have Nivea cream for my eczema. I have little things of like my prescriptions. I have like my full bottle in here because I need this one particularly, but I also have this little thing which used to hold mints. It now holds like my prescriptions so that I can just take them everywhere with me, and then like a single pencil. I was the hot stuff in high school, okay? Like I had everything I needed, period. I actually think that's pretty organized. I like that. So now we're gonna put that back in its place up here and take out this drawer. Actually, let me take out this drawer first. The mess I created. And then we're gonna put this one back in. Oh! I just broke a nail. Guess what it's time to bust out? The bag. We're gonna take the bag, we're gonna open the bag. Bam. Get the nail glue out. Bam. Take the little cap off. Glue on our nail. This happens way too frequently. She's good. She's back on. We're back in business. Now we have to organize like this random art supply drawer thing. Yeah. Actually, I think that's pretty well organized because this isn't going to be here, this isn't going to be here, and this isn't going to be here for much longer. So honestly, I think this is pretty good, and I'm just going to throw her back in to my little cart, and then I think I'm done. We're going to wheel her back. We're going to wheel her back. So it is like kind of heavy, but she's still rolling. All right guys, so it's time for the final reveal. So there is nothing here anymore. All that has moved to here. This is where the table would normally be anyways, but I was using it for school. So now it's back to its original place, and it's a little spookified for Halloween. It basically has all the kitty cat stuff, and then underneath it we have a box of all of our blankets. The biggest reveal is so cute and so nice. I kind of feel like I have like my own little space now instead of just having a bed. It's like my bed and my things. I really like this. Because it rolls, if I didn't want to sit at my bed and do my work, I could always move over to the couch, move over towards outside, on the balcony. It's really nice. I actually really like this. And I know it's something like really small to get excited over, but for me it's something that's like really important, having my workspace, because I take work really seriously and I take school really seriously. So this is really nice, and I'm super excited. In fact, I'm motivated. I'm gonna start getting to work right now, and I'm gonna finish some online classes, and yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching if you did watch. I like organizing stuff sometimes instead of just doing makeup, but I will have makeup stuff coming up today, so have fun. Look at my Instagram. I have a ton of Halloween look everything. So much Halloween. I'm also sharing in my stories a lot of other people's Halloween looks that I absolutely adore, so please go ahead and check that out. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your room looks like right now during online school, because I know my little room most of the time looks like a mess. It's never this organized. So let me know what your room looks like and then tell me what you do to organize it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.